Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
The explanation begins with a simple but often ignored truth. The human body does not stop working when a person sleeps. In fact, some of the most important metabolic reactions take place exactly when the mind disconnects from the outside world and allows the body to shift into a deeper biological state. During this phase, hormones are released, cells are repaired, toxins are processed, and stored energy is redistributed. Deep sleep is not just rest. It is an active biological cycle that affects body fat, hunger regulation, energy levels, mood, and long-term health. One of the most important hormones involved in this nighttime transformation is human growth hormone, or HGH. Although it is commonly associated with childhood and development, HGH continues to play a vital role in adulthood. It supports tissue repair, helps preserve lean muscle, encourages fat to be used as fuel, and assists the body in recovering from stress, inflammation, and daily wear. The interesting part is that HGH is released in its highest concentration during deep sleep. That means the quality of rest, not just the number of hours in bed, determines how efficiently the body is able to burn fat overnight. This leads to an important point. The body burns fat differently during sleep than it does during the day. While daytime fat burning depends on physical activity and calorie expenditure, nighttime fat burning depends on hormonal balance, insulin stability, cortisol levels, and liver function. When the body goes to bed stressed, inflamed, or overloaded with sugar and toxins, it switches into protection mode instead of fat release mode. Instead of burning fat, it stores it. That is why drinking one specific cup before bed has gained attention, not because it is a miracle shortcut, but because it helps the body enter the right internal state to do what it is already designed to do: repair, rebalance, and access stored fat instead of locking it inside cells. The drink is made of 4 natural ingredients, each supporting a different part of this nighttime cycle. The base is chamomile tea, widely known for its calming properties, but its effects go deeper than relaxation. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to receptors in the brain responsible for reducing anxiety, relaxing the nervous system, and inducing the body into deep restorative sleep. Unlike synthetic sleep aids that sedate, chamomile encourages natural sleep rhythm, which is essential for lowering cortisol levels, a hormone strongly linked to belly fat storage. The second ingredient, organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, works through digestion and metabolism. It contains natural acids, probiotics, and enzymes that help stabilize blood sugar before sleep. Many people go to bed with elevated insulin levels because of late-night snacks, desserts, or processed foods. When insulin is high, fat cannot be released from cells. Apple cider vinegar helps prevent that spike, giving the body greater access to stored fat during sleep. Lemon adds another layer of benefit. Its acidity supports digestion, gently activates liver function, and assists the body in flushing excess fluid and toxins. The liver is one of the main organs responsible for breaking down fat, filtering the blood, and managing metabolic waste. Anything that helps the liver before sleep indirectly helps the body process fat more efficiently overnight. Lemon also supports hydration and contains vitamin C, which participates in fat oxidation and collagen formation. Cinnamon completes the blend. It's rich in antioxidants and has a scientifically recognized ability to support insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar. Cinnamon helps maintain a steady energy release instead of sugar spikes and crashes, reducing the likelihood of storing fat at night and lowering cravings the next morning. Certain compounds in cinnamon also act directly on fat cells, encouraging them to release stored lipids, which is especially useful during the long fasting period of sleep. When these four ingredients work together, the body enters the night with less stress, more stable blood sugar, improved liver support, and better access to stored fat, all while falling into deeper sleep. Preparation is simple. 1 chamomile tea bag in 8 to 12 ounces of hot water, 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half the juice of half a lemon. The drink should be consumed about 30 minutes before bed, giving the body enough time to respond gently to the calming and metabolic effects. The effectiveness of this nighttime ritual does not rely on exaggerated promises. It does not melt fat in one night, and it does not replace nutrition or movement. What it does is create the right internal conditions for the body to function the way it was designed to function. Instead of entering sleep in chemical chaos, the body enters a state where detoxification, hormonal resetting, and fat metabolism can finally happen. For many people, the difference is noticeable not only at night, but the next morning. Less hunger, fewer sugar cravings, more stable energy, and better mood. That happens because when insulin and cortisol are under control at night, hormone hunger works better the next day. Weight loss stops being a fight and starts being a cooperation between body and mind. Another often ignored factor is that poor sleep increases belly fat even when diet is clean. When sleep is shallow, cortisol rises, inflammation increases, and the body holds on to fat for protection. But when sleep is deep, the body releases stored fat more freely, recovers faster, and repairs tissues instead of storing more weight. No natural drink replaces common sense. Hydration, balanced eating, movement, and stress management are always important. But a pre-sleep elixir like this can act as a metabolic catalyst, a gentle but effective signal that tells the body, rest now, repair now, burn fat now. The real power is not in intensity, but in consistency. 1 cup before bed, every night at the same time, trains the body to enter a state of calm, detoxification, and improved fat use. Instead of forcing the body during the day, this ritual teaches the body to work better at night. The result is not a miracle transformation, but a shift in how the body behaves. Deeper rest, healthier mornings, fewer cravings, better digestion, reduced bloating, and a metabolism that finally feels unstuck. If someone chooses to try this drink, the goal is not perfection overnight. It is observation. Notice how you sleep. Notice how you wake up. Notice your appetite, your digestion, your mood, your energy. The goal is not just to burn fat, but to function better. Thank you for watching, and if this video brought value to you, don't forget to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more science-based wellness content. Your comment also matters. Tell us if you're going to try this bedtime elixir, how your sleep has been lately, or which natural remedies you'd like to see here next. Until next time, take care of your body, allow it to rest deeply, and remember, good health doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.